Welcome back, everyone. So still looking at that Toyota Sienna 2013 with the 6-cylinder engine in it. Um, Parts do come bad from the factory or the manufacturer, which is the case for this one. One of the four VVT solenoids that we replaced isn't communicating, or it's getting a low circuit voltage. So we are unfortunately having to replace that one. And as story would tell or life would happen, it's the one that's behind the intake manifold. It couldn't be one of these three easy ones. But since it is not my first time taking the intake manifold apart, I'm actually going to see how fast I can actually remove the intake manifold, to get to it. So if you're trying to do this at home, you're gonna need a 10mm deep socket, a 5mm Allen or set, a pick to get like various connectors off, and then an extension. Power tools as well, if you have them. But those are the things that I'm gonna be using. And to show you that I'm not pulling any tricks, everything is still in here, all nice and snug. All the battery, all the connections, everything is still good. All the connectors back there. So like I mentioned, I'm gonna see how fast I am gonna be able to remove everything to get access to that cam / variable valve timing. I have a timer going just so that you guys know that the video is recording and having no issues. But like I mentioned before, um, I'm gonna see how fast I can remove this intake manifold. All right, let's see. Yeah, you can see it. All right. And then I forgot the 10 for the battery tray, as fitting as that is. There it is. Where is that? All right, and it is out. Um, so maybe a little over 10 minutes, right? But back here, what makes it difficult sometimes, it's these two bolts that come up here. This one has a little C, like a little C clamp or bracket. The screw, you just start it and it'll clip onto there. And this one is kind of hard to get to. That's why you have to remove 4 connectors back there. And then there is a hose, and then the cable that connects the throttle position to the throttle needs to be disconnected from here as well. So, but yeah, it's just bam, bam, bam are the things that you can't see, and then you're able to get the entire thing out. So, There is another video on my YouTube channel that goes into detail and explains a little bit more about the process of doing it. This, I just thought it would be something cool and neat to do because we are doing a replacement on that VVT solenoid that was bad from the get-go. But thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.